Okay, C. Lindelof video is going to take something out of KUTA's infinite calculus, and it's actually kind of a prelude to calculus. It explains how calculus works to find slope of a function at a given point. Here we're going to find slope at where 2 points pass through a function. It's going to look like this for us. So this is not too much of a thing. We're going to do this. We're going to say, okay, we have this function. This function right here is the function in blue. And then we're going to try to find out what's the equation of the line that passes through this function at the given points. This is the point negative 2, 4. Negative 2, 4 is here. And the point 1, 2. So here. So we can see that there is this line right here. So if we use average rate of change and find the equation at this point, at these 2 points right here, we have the line secant, which is, just so you know, is a very rough approximation of the slope of this function anywhere between these 2 points. So just going to find the slope first, right? And we're using average rate of change because average rate of change is this, right? To find the average rate of change, and that gives us f of b minus f of a minus b minus a. That is this, you guys, so it's not a big deal. We're going to find the slope here. We're going to find the slope right here. So the slope is equal to, I'm going to fill in the blanks here, and I'm going to get 2 minus 4, just to be quick about it, over 1 minus 2. We do our little bit of arithmetic here. This is multiplication of signs. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. We get 6 over 3. So we have a slope, m, simplified 6 over 3 is 2. Now we're going to just use point slope theorem. And point slope theorem says that we get y minus y sub 1 is equal to m, the slope, minus x sub 1. Here, all we have to do is pick a point, and the point I chose was the point 1, 2. So we're going to do this. Y minus, right? We have this 2 right here, so positive 2 goes here. We said that the slope is 2x. If y is 2, then x has to equal 1. We have to pick a point and stick with that 1 point, minus 1. This is actually going to get pretty easy, I think. We get y minus 2 is equal to 2x, just distributing here and here, minus 2, right? So we're going to go over, we're going to just clean up our algebra some more, and we're going to get y is equal to 2x. So here it is. This right here is the line. This is the line y equals 2x. So the answer to our question is, the line secant is, so line secant of this function here, at this function right here, given these 2 points, is y is equal to 2x. That's it, you guys. Not difficult. It's super important to calculus, though, because, again, you can see how this line right here starts to estimate the slope of this function that I colored out in pink just so you could see it. All right? Hey, thanks for watching. If you have comments or questions, please let me know. I think I answer most of the questions that I get and respond to the comments. If you haven't already subscribed, would you do that for me? Okay, you guys, thanks. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon.